Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to talk to you today about another problem-solving strategy. Our strategy today is called Make a Table. Let's talk about the steps we use to solve all word problems. First, we want to make sure we read and understand the problem. After that, we think to ourselves, what do I know? What am I trying to find out? Then you want to try to plan and solve. What strategy should I use to solve this problem? After that, you want to look back and check your work. Ask yourself, does my answer make sense? Let's talk a little bit about the make a table strategy. When should you make a table? A table can be helpful when looking for a pattern in your problem. A table can help you organize your information. Be sure to place headings on your table to keep your data organized. Now let's try it. Okay, let's look at a problem. It says Juanita checked a book out of the public library and it is now 7 days overdue. That means she didn't return it when she was supposed to. The book fine fee at the library is 10 cents a day. That means that she's going to get fined. That means she has to pay money. 10 cents a day, wow. So if a book is 1 day overdue, the fine is 10 cents. How much will Juanita's fine be when she returns the book 7 days late? Okay, so I'm trying to think to myself here, what do I know? Okay, well I know Juanita's book is 7 days overdue. It says it right here. And what am I trying to find out? Oh, and you know what, I also know that she gets charged 10 cents a day, and I know it's 7 days late. And I'm trying to find out how much she's going to get charged if the book is 7 days late. I think making a table can help me solve this. I can fill in the table with each amount that she gets charged for each day, and I know it's 10 cents a day, so let me try it. Okay. On the first day, she gets charged 10 cents, so I'm going to write that there. On the second day, she gets charged another 10 cents, so now she owes 20 cents. On the third day, she gets charged another 10 cents, so right now her fee is 30 cents. On the fourth day, her fee is another 10 cents, so she's going to owe now 40 cents. Okay. Oh, there's my table. You could see that I put the headings on the top, the day and the fine. So let's go back down to the fourth day. She gets charged another 10 cents, so her fee is going to be how much? You're right if you said 40 cents. On that fifth day, her fee is going to be 50 cents. On the sixth day, her fee is going to be 60 cents. And remember, we're trying to find out how much it is if it was 7 days late. Okay? So now we're thinking about that seventh day. And let's look for a pattern here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's adding 10 cents each day. Can you think about how much her fee is going to be? You're right. If you said it's 70 cents. Do you see how using this table with headings on the top helps me organize my data so that I can see easily and solve the problem? Okay? And there's my answer. Juanita was charged 10 cents for every day her book was late. Her book fine is 70 cents. Let's look at another problem. The school bus travels 5 miles on 1 gallon of gas. How many gallons will the bus use on its 20-mile route? Okay, so let me think about what I know and what I'm trying to find out. I know that every 5 miles, the bus uses 1 gallon of gas. Let me underline that. So every 5 miles, the bus uses 1 gallon of gas. That seems important. Okay, let me try to think about what I'm trying to find out here. How many gallons will the bus use on its 20-mile route? I think making a table can help me solve this. Okay, so let me make a table. You can see I put my headings on the top here, my miles and gallons. Okay, I'm going to start out writing what I know. So I know for 5 miles, okay, so I'm going to fill it in there, 5 miles, they use 1 gallon of gas. All right, so they're going to travel another 5 miles, and they're going to use another gallon of gas. So they've used 2 gallons now. Okay, if they travel another 5 miles, that would be 15 miles. They're going to use 3 gallons of gas. Okay, and I see a pattern here, 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3. So this is increasing by 5, and this is increasing by 1. So next, she's going to travel 20 miles. Oh, and that's what we're looking to find out. Okay, and then how many gallons of gas will the bus use? I think you can guess it. 1, 2, 3. You're right if you said 4, okay? If the bus travels 20 miles, it will use 4 gallons of gas. Think about this question. How much gas will the bus use if it travels 25 miles? Okay, we're going to come back to that after we're done. Okay, so today, boys and girls, let's review what we did today. We talked about using the make a table strategy when you are asked to look for a pattern within a problem. When you use the make a table strategy, keep your information organized. Label your columns and place the correct numbers in the correct spaces. Okay. Now I told you I'd go back to this question. On your Google Doc tonight, I want you to make sure that you fill in the correct answer that goes right here in this green box. How much gas will the bus use if it travels 25 miles? Okay, thanks for listening.